If you're familiar with Hampton Roads, you probably know Culpepper Landing as one of the most desirable, amenity-filled communities offering new homes that fit any lifestyle. But you've never seen anything quite like this. I'm Nicole, and I'm excited to introduce our final and most anticipated new section at Culpepper Landing, the Reserve. The Craftsman Collection in the Reserve will offer the features you love, like 3+ bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2-car rear garages, bonus rooms, flex spaces, and open kitchens. But what makes these homes truly unique are the special touches, like arched windows, one-of-a-kind exterior designs and colors, and Craftsman interior finishes. And all of this is found in the beautiful Culpepper Landing community. So how do you learn more? Join the priority list on our website. When you become a VIP for the Reserve, you'll be among the first to receive details about the homes being offered here. You'll be the first to pick your favorite lot, and you'll be in a select group that will get early VIP pricing. I'll keep you updated as we get closer to opening our doors in early 2021.